Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. If you see the message, "No internet secured on your Windows 11 network," it means your device is connected, but can't access the internet, which can be caused by several factors. In this video, I will offer some simple and effective solutions to help you troubleshoot and resolve this issue on your Windows 11 computer. Let's go. When encountering Wi-Fi connectivity problems, start by physically examining your modem or router for any signs of signal loss. If the LOS indicator is red, contact your internet service provider for assistance. Besides that, know that excessive device temperature can also disrupt connectivity, so it might be helpful to temporarily power off your modem and router to allow them to cool down before restarting them. Another common troubleshooting step for network connectivity issues on Windows is to restart your network adapter. To do this, search for network connections in the control panel and locate your active network. Right-click on it and select Disable. Wait a few moments. Then right-click again and select Enable. This can sometimes help resolve temporary network glitches. After restarting your network adapter, it's recommended to reboot your computer as well. This step refreshes your computer's network settings, which can often help resolve temporary glitches or conflicts that might be interfering with a stable internet connection. If you've recently changed your Wi-Fi password, it might be the reason for your connection issues. Your device may not be able to authenticate with the network, resulting in the "No Internet Secured" error. To resolve this, simply reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. Go to your Wi-Fi settings and find the Manage Known Networks page. Locate your network and select Forget to remove the old connection profile. Then go back and expand the Show Available Networks panel. Wait for your Wi-Fi to appear and enter your new password to establish a successful connection.
That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or other problems with your Apple device, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.